we'll go to demo booking app. After opening of demo booking app, we'll go to CBS interim tool. We'll click CBS interim tool. It takes some time. Now, CBS interim tool will contain two sections, receipts and payment. Payment will contain withdrawal of amount, that is RD withdrawal, SB withdrawal, PLI loan, anything. And receipt will contain the SB deposit. Today we have deposited 789 rupees. RD we have deposited 38,000. Deposit will come under receipt option. If there is TD deposit, 1 year TD, 2 year TD, 3 year TD, whatever deposit we have made, we'll have to make entry in the respective column. That is Sukanya deposit, Sukanya Samriddhi account default. If any default is there, each and everything to be given to their respective, to be entered to their respective column. If there is RD withdrawal, that will have to be submitted, that will have to be incorporated here. Now, total CBS receipt is there. Now the PLI sanction, PLI I premium, that is initial premium. One we have one indexing is done. That amount is 1913. That amount to be incorporated. That RPLI renewal premium, whatever renewal premium is there, will make entry. We have done the PLI renewal premium, that will make entry. $1150. Then CGST. Next, SGST to be entered. Now we will tally the amount. Yes, our total receipt of PLI is 3089. Now we have to submit it. After submitting, this pop-up message will come. Please remember that whatever work is done in CBS and PLI application, that will have to be entered under CBS PLI interim tool of demo booking app. Otherwise, it will not incorporate to our daily account. So care should be taken in this regard by the concerned BPM. Now a message will come, submitted successfully. Now payment option. Whatever withdrawal is done, data saved successfully. That receipt data has been saved successfully. Now the payment option, SB withdrawal, we have done 5,000. Nothing, no other withdrawal was there. So our withdrawal portion is 5,000 only. No PLI loan. If any PLI loan payment related to PLI is there, that will have to be entered here. Now again we'll submit it. It will incorporate to our BO daily account. Now if you see the wallet balance, it will increase because we have incorporated our today's work to CBS PLI option. Now we can say that our work related to the branch office is almost over, but before that withdrawal data is saved successfully. Now the next we have to perform the day end. After performing day end, BO daily account will be taken out, will be prepared. Now we are performing our day end. Day end done successfully. That means today's work has been done. We have done our day end. Now next work is, now see, day begin has been active and day end has become inactive. Previously day end was active, day begin was inactive. Now we have to prepare our BO daily account, for which order report to be clicked. After clicking border report, this message will come. Enter cash amount you want to request from AO. If any cash is required for tomorrow's work, that can be request can be placed from this option. Since we are having no such request, we will put 0 and confirm it. BPM not required any amount from the SO for tomorrow's work. We'll put 0, confirm it. We are confirming. Now this message will come if there is excess cash in the BO. Closing balance of Amshingaon BO exceed the minimum sanctioned limit by rupees 34,965 amount. Now this amount has come after deducting the minimum balance of BO. That is, minimum balance of BO is 5,000. Today's total amount is 39,965. Now the machine, that device has shown 34,000 because the 5,000, that is the minimum balance that has to be kept with BO. Now the question is that if any liabilities is there for the tomorrow's work, that can be, this cash can be kept with BPM, but liabilities to be shown by clicking accept liability. There will be savings liability, insurance liability, and if any EMOs is there, that will be shown. That can be chosen and appropriate amount to be incorporated on that particular column and submitted. Since BPM do not require any amount for tomorrow, he will send entire amount, that 34,965 to the AO. Now this amount, will write this amount 34,965 since BPM not required any amount to be kept for tomorrow's work. After giving this number, click OK. Now the banking liabilities, insurance liabilities, nothing to be done here. Just confirm it. If the liabilities is there, that have to be mentioned here. Banking liabilities, insured liabilities, and next if any EMOs is there, it will be shown. Now, after confirming cash to above 34,965 liabilities accepted, we have not accepted any liabilities. Closing balance is 5,000. Remaining 5,000 is there with the BPM. Now we are going to confirm it. If required, that can be edited. If not, since we have given everything, we are going to confirm it now. After confirming, this pop-up message will come. Enter bag weight. Now cashback weight. Now the amount will go to the cashback. That cashback weight to be given. We have given 15 gram. After giving 15 gram, we have submitted. Now our BO daily account is prepared. It will come. Now validating with server. Now our BO daily account is ready. We can print it out. Cash opening balance is 5,000. RD deposit, SB deposit, SB withdrawal, PLI, everything is there. Withdrawal portion is there. Now the minimum cash balance, cash is hand, cash and currency note in hand with BPM 5,000. Postage stamp stationery, nothing is there. We are going to print it. After printing of BO daily account, BPM will keep one copy of BO daily account with him and one copy will be submitted to the SO for further accounting. Now we have printed our BO daily account. Printing is done. Our demo booking work is completed. Last work for the day is to close the bag and take out the bag manifest and mail list. We'll close our bag. We'll exit from the app. Now we'll go to Dell app. Now, if you see, only 3 option is visible. Since we have already performed our day end. After day end, if anyone go to Dell app, these 3 option will be visible. Other option will not be visible. Now we have to go to back close option. First page has come, fetch article. Here we have to fetch articles if any booking is there, any return article is there. Since we have booked one register letter and we have not returned anything, we have to fetch. After clicking fetch article, see one article fetched for dispatch has come. Now this one article is that register letter which we have booked today. We'll click OK. Now we'll scan it. For scanning, we click scan article option, and after that we have to click scanner option. After clicking scanner option, this message will come. Please enter the total number of articles to be scanned. We have given 1. Now we'll scan one article. See, after scanning one article, total article to be dispatched 1, total article received 1, article pending for scanning 0. Register letter 1, speed post parcel COD nothing. Since it is correct, we'll click OK. After clicking OK, next page will come. Now, next page has come. First option is scan bag barcode. The bag which will be closed from the branch post office, that bag barcode to be scanned. Second option is BO daily account barcode. The BO daily account, their number will be automatically displayed, which cannot be modified. This is our today's BO daily account barcode. Next, we have to scan the bag barcode, for which we have to click the scanner icon. After clicking scanner icon, BPM will scan bag barcode. Bag barcode will contain 10 digits number and 3 letters prefixed on it. The cash to above will also reflect in the screen. And today we have remitted rupees 34,965 to account office. Now back close to be ticked. On clicking back close option, 2 receipts will be generated. First bag manifest, second mail list. And now BPM will close the bag and dispatch it to the sub office.